Here are some quick tips for transplanting indoor plants. 1. Choose the right time. The best time to transplant is during the plant's growing season, typically spring or early summer. This helps the plant adjust to the new pot more easily. Avoid transplanting when the plant is flowering, as it focuses energy on the blooms. 1. Know when to transplant. Optimal timing. Transplanting is best done during the plant's active growing season, which is usually spring or early summer. During this time, the plant is in a phase of rapid growth and can recover from the transplant shock faster. 2. Choosing the right pot. Proper size. Select a pot that is 1 to 2 inches larger in diameter than the current one. A pot that's too large can lead to water retention, which may cause root rot. Larger pots have more soil, and when the roots don't fill the pot, the excess soil stays wet for too long. Drainage. Ensure the pot has drainage holes. Indoor plants need well-drained soil to prevent root rot. If the pot doesn't have holes, you can add a layer of pebbles at the bottom to improve drainage, though it's always better to use pots with drainage. 3. Prepare the plant for transplanting. Water before transplanting. Water the plant thoroughly a day or two before transplanting. This makes it easier to remove from the pot and reduces stress on the roots. Root care. Once the plant is out, check the roots. If the plant is root-bound, meaning the roots are tightly wound around the root ball, gently loosen them with your fingers. Prune off any damaged or dead roots. You can make small vertical cuts around the root ball to encourage new growth. 4. Preparing the new pot. Add fresh soil. Place a layer of fresh potting soil at the bottom of the new pot. The type of soil you use should match the needs of the plant. For instance, succulents require a well-draining cactus mix, while tropical plants prefer a rich, moisture-retentive potting mix. 5. Filling in with soil. Backfill carefully. Once the plant is in place, fill around the sides with fresh potting soil. Gently press the soil down to remove air pockets, but don't compact it too much. You want to allow the roots to breathe while still providing stability. Leave space for watering. Ensure there's a small gap between the top of the soil and the rim of the pot to allow water to sit and soak in. 6. Watering after transplanting. Water thoroughly. After transplanting, give the plant a thorough watering. This helps settle the soil around the roots and reduces transplant shock. Be sure that excess water drains out of the bottom. 7. Post-Transplant Care. Reduce stress. After transplanting, it's a good idea to place the plant in a slightly shaded area, even if it normally prefers bright light. This helps reduce stress while the roots adjust. Gradually reintroduce the plant to its normal light conditions over the next week or two. 8. Common mistakes to avoid. Overwatering. One of the most common mistakes is watering too much after transplanting. New soil holds moisture better, so be sure to check the soil moisture before watering again. Choosing the wrong soil. Make sure the soil type matches the needs of the plant. For example, succulents need fast-draining soil, while ferns prefer moisture-retentive mixes. Transplanting too often. Avoid transplanting too frequently. Most plants only need to be repotted every 1 to 2 years. Transplanting too often can stress the plant unnecessarily. By following these tips, your indoor plants should adjust well to their new homes and continue thriving. Transplanting can give them a fresh start and promote healthier growth.